Yeah, hello, what's going on? This is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. Yes, sir. Be clean. You're like, oh my God, why are you talking so fast? Well, because I'm excited right now because I got some good results here. I got my special formula here, simple Ryobi sprayer. Don't be fooled if you're a carpet person or something like that and you want to get into business. All right, this is all you need. The Ryobi sprayer. It runs about what? I think it was $150, now it's up to $200, maybe because I'm sharing it. They need to need to get me a discount or something, give me a sponsorship. Anyway, look at this carpet here, all right? Carpet here, I don't even have my big machine, okay? These are one of the ladies that we have working for us, and she loves this orbiter, all right? The reason why is because it's light. She can carry it upstairs all day. She can hit 3 houses. Clean carpet's great. Look at this pad here she's using. It's a hog hair natural fiber pad, all right? Now that spot area right here was the main walkway, so it was way darker than this. And look how it is. That's how it is around there, okay? So I'm showing you what it looks like before, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. This is what our solution here. It turned out pretty good, but I'm gonna hit it with something else, okay? This orbiter right here, you wanna get into the game? Go ahead. And I got my own chemicals. You can buy them now right on the website. Go ahead and make your purchase and order, and we'll go ahead and put it through for you. I'm working on the patent right now, and it's gonna work well, all right? So pretty much what we're doing here is she's using spraying down a solution, and you're like, oh my God, he's not using any steam. I don't know where my other phone is, but steam came out in 1969, okay? 69, we're in 2024. All right, now what I did here is we put the, this is a towel and grout brush head, but we're using it as a agitator. Now, normally I'd use the black one because it's a lot softer, it's nylon. This one's like a hard plastic, but this is so beat and destroyed. And as you see, she's spraying it, getting it real good here, boosting it up. See, we got our stuff on there. And she's getting it real good here. You want to get it nice and moist. We're going to let this sit for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to hit it again. And you're like, all right, once we're getting back to the steam here. Steam came out in 1969, all right? The guy was a jet engine mechanic. He created a big, almost cursed, big butt, what's it called? A truck mount, all right? Yeah, I don't care. You can have the biggest truck mount. There's 3 things, okay? This is what you do to your carpet. 1, it's going to stink. 2, there's going to be ripples in your carpet. You ever see those ripples, the little waves in there? Yeah, boy, them waves is from your carpet stretching. All right, that's plastic underneath here, all right? Polyester, all right? This is good for synthetic right here, okay? That's what it's doing. It's stretching the carpet. Oh, she got this nice one. Check that out. That's great. So it's stretching the carpet back and forth. So that's why you got to get a stretch. So my solution, this process that's been invented, works way better. You're saving your time on getting your carpets replaced. You're saving your time on having them get them stretched. Your carpets are going to dry in 2 hours maximum. All right, 2 hours. All right. And let me tell you, it's a little chemical process. All right. So you got first, when my age growing up, we had the Nokia phone. Then we had the Razor. All right, the little Razor, flip phone. Then we had iPhones that doesn't even have any buttons on it. All right. So just like technology advances, so does the cleaning chemicals and solutions. All right. I don't like to call this chemicals. Why? Because it's kid and pet safe. All right. You can spray it. You're not going to leave anything behind. It looks good. This stuff is working. Okay. That's what it's doing. It's working. It has enzymes in there, cleaning that, getting it. Well, I'm sorry. This one has polymers. The pet solution has enzymes. It cleans it. All right. This is what you got to do. All right. It took me 4 years to get this thing together. Here, I mixed a few little things together to make this pop. All right. So this is my little thing. Like I said, you want to purchase it, it's fine. But the proof is in the pudding right here. All right, I don't have anything to hide. People are like, well, how do you get your sales? Do you BS? No, I don't BS. I don't have to. You can see it right here. My videos don't lie. Look, I'm using an iPhone camera right now. All right, I'm using an iPhone phone. Look, it's in my hand. All right, it's in my hand right now. Come on, man. It's in my hand. Look at that. This thing is agitating it. It's looking good. Now this, you're like, oh, nothing's popping up. It's not changing. It's going to take a little bit of time. You got to hold on. You got to wait for the process. Get the full thing before you make your decision, all right? Get the full effect. Read the whole thing. Don't just read the headline. Read into the story, all right? Get right on into the story. Now, I'm sitting over here and I'm scrubbing. You see me scrubbing? Like I said, this thing's light. I got one hand, all right? Big Buffer does the same thing. But we're agitating this. This is what we're doing right now. We're working the solution in. It's kind of like you're doing your hair, all right? You're shampooing your hair. You wash your hair. You put your shampoo in, you don't just rinse it right out, all right? You're putting your shampoo in right now. We're working the shampoo in, And then we're gonna go ahead and rinse it out with the pad. And what it does is it liquefies the dirt, puts it right in there, and it comes on out, all right? So check this out. Oh man, it looks great. Look at that. All right, now, that's the first process, all right? We're gonna hit this thing second time with the pad. I want to see how this comes out, and we're gonna hit it with the vacuum. Now remember, keep in mind, it looked like that before. All right, now it's not all gonna come out. You're like, oh man, I bet you the steam will get it. No, because this thing's called carpet distortion. Way the carpet lays, all right? That's the one thing. Second thing about the carpet is, oh, she got it wet over here too, so I'm gonna scrub this too. Carpet distortion, all right? Then you got just carpet wear and tear. All right, after a while, this carpet acts like sandpaper. Or this dirt, the dirt acts like sandpaper, and it beats it down. It beats your carpet down. It's wearing down the fibers. That's why it's good to get them cleaned every 6 months with our process. All right, my process, every 6 months, you'll be good. You'll have your carpets fresh. It doesn't void the carpet warranty. That's another thing. Oh, you're voiding the warranty. No, you're not. You don't know what you're talking about. You're not voiding the warranty at all. It's good. All right, it looks great, okay? So check that out. It's amazing here. Like I said, this is just the first step. Just rubbing it in. I don't know if she got over here. No, she didn't get over here. Did you just get the dark areas? All right, so she just got the dark areas. Whoopsie. Turned it off on my big belly. All right. All right. Look at that. And then, so now we're gonna spray the whole floor, get us another treatment. It's starting to look good already. Now the reason why it looks different in person is the camera. And sorry, so look, see it's bubbling in here, warping? That's from the carpet. It needs to be stretched. But long story short, the reason why it's like this, bubbling up, or it looks dark in the camera, because it looks way lighter in person. In the camera is because it's higher definition, okay? You're seeing stuff, camera sees stuff that you can't see. There's also another phone out there that does that, but we're not gonna get into that. So camera pulls up a lot more images because it's more pixelated, little stuff. It actually looks a lot different because it's a polyester carpet, synthetic. Go ahead, you can use this pad now, throw that one on there. See, and that's you're like, well, where's the dirt go? This is the top of the pad. Look at that pad. Look. You're like, oh, where does it go? It doesn't go anywhere. You're not pulling anything up. Yeah, look at all that stuff in there. That's where the dirt goes. All right, technology. It's good when you use it correctly. All right, so she's gonna go ahead and get this done. Stay tuned, I'll show you the end. All right, so here it is afterwards. We're doing the final process of the vacuum, sucking up all the contaminants up. I think this looks great. Compared to what it is, I have no idea how long they're living here. They bought a new home. I mean, this looks good to me. This is as good as it's really gonna get. They probably live here for a few years. They're selling this house. And this is amazing. This looks so good. All right, so stay tuned. I just wanted to show you that. I'm getting ready to do the stairs here. And hey, just for the thrill. I would like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.